Hi, it's Angeline here. Welcome to another crafty video with Unity Stamp. Today I'm going to show you how to play with Distress Oxide inks and gesso. So first up, I've already stamped and colored this cute new Phyllis Harris stamp. And I'm grabbing some of my Distress Oxide inks here and a Holtz stencil called Clockwork and also some gesso. So I'm going to create this tinted gesso or like colored embossing paste. So first I'm squishing some of my inks onto my craft mat and then I'm grabbing some gesso to put on it. Then I'm grabbing my palette knife here to mix the gesso and the inks together to create this really nice tinted colored gesso. And in between colors, I'm just wiping off my palette knife before I mix the next color in. Then just grab any stencils that you have in your stash. Here I'm using the Holtz stencil, which is called Clockwork, and I'm just placing it over my cut and just scraping the tinted gesso here over my stencil. If you like, you can actually secure down the stencil with some painter's tape or washi tape, but I'm just holding it firmly with my hands. Once you're done, remove your stencil carefully and let it dry. Then remember to go wash your stencil immediately under the water. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique on how to use your Distress Oxide inks in a fun way. Thanks for watching. Bye!